What's up, YouTube? Fitness Jones. Back in the truck. Headed to Tennessee, of course. I just wanted to address something really quick. And that's like, blowing your nose at the table. I mean, I've seen that like way too many times, and I'm just curious when that became okay, especially like in restaurants. I don't know why people think that's okay. I mean, I've seen strangers do it. I've even seen, people that I know do it. And surprisingly, I've seen like a large amount of women do it. I don't know, like, for one, it doesn't make sense. If you're blowing your nose, don't you want to use a mirror? Don't you want like privacy? Don't you want to know that you got everything? So it's just my opinion. It's more than that. It's like really like a public service announcement. Don't blow your nose at the table. Matter of fact, a good rule of thumb, like anything that your body like produces and you want to remove, whether it's something on your nose or earwax, I mean all that, whatever, digging in your ears, that should be done in private. I mean, you do number one in private, you do number two in private. Whenever you're like removing something from your body, it should probably be done in private. So that includes, things from your nose. I hope this helps somebody. That's it.